भावना
Yes, sir.
Yes,
इसको
sir. I
स्टार्ट कर दो।
started recording.
स्टार्ट। गुड। जब वो सेशन एंड हो जाएगा वो डाउनलोड कर लेना अपने पास।
Okay, sir.
Okay.
वेलकम प्रशांत सर। वन ऑफ यू नीड टू डू। आप कौन कर रहा है वो देख लेना। वेलकम प्रशांत सर। एम आई
Hello.
ऑडिबल टू यू प्रशांत सर?
Yes. Good morning, Anuj sir. Good morning, everybody.
ओके,
Good
सो
morning, sir.
प्रशांत सर इज द बैच ज्वाइंड एंड कोई पार्टिसिपेंट ज्वाइन करेगा वैसे गेस्ट एंट्री में तो please allow him because I made you the presenter. I have another lecture 12 to 1.
I see.
So I have made 2 students as well the presenter along with you.
Okay.
So this session and Girish Goenka is there, our student. Girish, I'm making you the presenter. Take care of everything. I
Sure, sir.
just seen the Girish is good in technology and all.
Sure, sir. Yeah,
So
just take care of admitting anybody.
on behalf of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, first I like to welcome Mr. Prashant Sharma. Mr. Prashant Sharma is ICF certified trainer. What to say about Mr. Prashant? He's a entrepreneur, he's an author, is connected with several multiple brands. He has his own YouTube channel as well. So there cannot be a right person other than Mr. Prashant to guide you on the first day of your MBA journey. Sir, this is the first day of the students and we are doing this orientation in online mode. So over to you, Prashant sir. Take them along. And recording सेव करके रखना अपने पास में जो जो लोग recording कर रहे हैं. Okay, so I'm leaving the session. Over to you, sir. I'll join it later
Sure.
around
Thank you,
12:45. Okay, thank you.
Anuj sir. Thank you for that lovely introduction. Welcome, friends. My name is Prashant Sharma, and today we'll be doing this short journey together on a topic which is very close to my heart. जब Anuj sir ने बताया that you guys are let me just share my desktop. Can everybody see my desktop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So इसमें ऐसा करेंगे, you guys can keep yourself on mute if you like, but if you have any questions, if you have any comments, anything to add, just feel free to jump in. In the end I'll ask for questions also, लेकिन अगर कोई भी comments हैं, कुछ भी आपको कुछ add करना है तो बीच में आप don't worry about interrupting, just raise your hand and just ask, okay? क्योंकि शायद कभी-कभी end में time थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. Today's topic is maximize your MBA, and why I chose that topic is something that I'll tell you shortly. But my name is Prashant Sharma, and almost 20 years as an corporate executive, as an entrepreneur, as a trainer, soft skills trainer. My company is called First Personality. I'm also known as Coach Prashant. So if you go on YouTube or if you go on LinkedIn, please search for me, please add me. And one of the things I'll talk about today is the power of networking. जितना बड़ा आपका नेटवर्क होगा उतनी ज़्यादा आपकी नेट वर्थ होगी. So your network is your net worth, and no better place than to start today. Please add me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will give you an incentive as well to join it. A little bit about myself. Like I said, almost 20 years in the business. I'm an MBA from the University of Massachusetts at Amherst, USA. And I've got 2 startups. One of my startups was an export company. The other is in coaching and training. I'm also the author of this book, Soft Skills Personality Development for Life Success. Can you all see me? Am I visible to you? Is the video visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to share my what I would like to do is that I would like कि आज हम एक छोटी सी एक talk करेंगे, which is great, but I would also like if you all can be connected with me. Otherwise, yeah, the first 20 people on my YouTube channel, I will give them a free copy of my book. I will send you a free copy of my book. Please mention in the comment section that you're from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. So guys, please go ahead and join. The reason I chose this topic, maximize your MBA, is because हम जब MBA को join करते हैं, मैं अपना बताता हूँ आपको, जब मैंने my first day of MBA, बहुत exciting दिन था, and I thought कि अब तो MBA हो गई है, अब तो job पक्की है, and life will be a bed of roses and सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. जो मुझे यहाँ पर ज्ञान मिलेगा, the knowledge which I will get, I'll be able to apply it immediately. And जो हमारे सपने होते हैं, I had the same dreams as you. Many of those dreams have come true, लेकिन कोई magic नहीं था उसमें. When we talk about MBA, right? It's MBA is a very difficult process. Easy भी है और difficult भी है. Easy क्यों है? क्योंकि हमको सिर्फ बैठ के lecture सुनने हैं, exam pass करने हैं, assignments बनाने हैं, projects बनाने हैं, group discussions करनी हैं, and if we get a good grade, we will get our MBA degree for sure. Yeah. Challenge तब शुरू होता है MBA के बाद क्या? Yeah. That entire recruitment process. Many of you will be going for jobs. Some of you will be going for entrepreneurship. Whether you become, whether you going for a job or whether you're going for an entrepreneurship, struggle सबकी same ही है, journey सबकी same ही है. And today I will share some of that struggle and some of that journey with you. Yeah, through the means of some metaphors and analogies or stories जो मैं आपके साथ share करूँगा from my life. And many, like I said, many of those stories are in the book. The first thing that I want to touch upon today is the concept of teamwork. Now, teamwork is ऐसा topic है जिसको सिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है, right? All of us know what a team is, right? So, a team is a group of people who come together for a common objective, correct? Na? आपके MBA में भी you will be doing many projects together. You will be placed as part of a team, and you will do your journey together. And कई लोग होंगे उस टीम में जिनकी आप बहुत अच्छी से दोस्ती है आपकी. कई लोग होंगे आपकी टीम्स में जिसकी आप शक्ल देखना पसंद नहीं करते. कई लोग होंगे जिसको कभी आपने कोई पोस्ट किया सोशल मीडिया पे तो उन्होंने लाइक नहीं किया, एंड बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट लाइक योर पोस्ट यू स्टॉप लाइकिंग देयर पोस्ट्स. एंड ऐसे छोटी छोटी नोक झोंक की वजह से मिसकम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट्स एंड आवर रिलेशनशिप्स गेट स्पॉइल्ड. दैट वाज जस्ट वन एग्जांपल. What I'm trying to tell you is that when we talk about MBA, right? MBA is nothing but a stepping stone, and a stepping stone to what to expect in the real world. Real world में हमारे साथ क्या होने वाला है, हमारे साथ क्या experiences होंगे आगे जाके, किस environment में हम काम करेंगे, किन लोगों के साथ काम करेंगे, office politics कैसा होगा, what do I need to get ahead in life. All those things theoretically your MBA I'm sure will teach you. लेकिन जो practice है, sometimes it helps to get mentorship and sometimes it helps to have that network which can guide you. कभी-कभी हम लोग एक गलती ये करते हैं, और मैं आपको बताऊं मैंने ये गलती करी थी. I thought जब मैं MBA में हूँगा तो MBA कंप्लीट करूंगा, MBA पे पूरा ध्यान दूंगा. Nothing mattered more than academics. कुछ सोसाइटीज में ज्वाइन किया, थोड़ी बहुत एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स मुझे लगा कि हमारे इंटरव्यू में काम आएगा, लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं. माय फोकस वाज ऑन गेटिंग गुड ग्रेड्स एंड गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज गुड मार्क्स एंड गुड ग्रेड्स एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होता है रिक्रूटमेंट में. What I also one mistake which I made is जो preparation हमको अपने real world के लिए करनी चाहिए थी, that preparation sometimes we need not wait. हमने जब अपने MBA किया था, social media was not there, social media was not very common. I'm talking about more than 25 years ago. But I'm telling you, you have the means now in social media. COVID हो चाहे नहीं हो, कोरोना वायरस हो चाहे नहीं हो. In fact, today in LinkedIn, I have posted on how we can beat coronavirus and use coronavirus not as an adversity, not as a problem, but as an opportunity. लेकिन आप opportunity कैसे ढूंढ सकते हो कोविड में, जब लोगों की जॉब लॉसेस हो रही हैं, सैलरीज कट्स हो रही हैं, लोगों की बिजनेसेस डाउन हो रही हैं, सब जगह नेगेटिव न्यूज. जब टीवी पे और टीवी ऑन करो तो या तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस है या फिर कोविड का प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. When there's negativity coming from everywhere, how do you find opportunity? You can do that by learning from somebody who has done it. So friends, अगर आपके पास LinkedIn profile नहीं है, one of the things I would like to tell you, all of us, how many of us are there today in the meeting? Approximately. कितने लोग हैं आज? Can anybody tell me?
121. 121.
There are
Somewhere around 120.
There are about 121, 120 odd people today in this meeting. I'd like to look at each of you in the eye and I would like to tell you friends, अगर आपके पास LinkedIn profile नहीं है, immediately after today's session, after today's studies are over, please create a LinkedIn profile. Get a nice portfolio picture, get a nice profile. अगर आपको profile बनाने में कोई help चाहिए, I am always available. Please add me. Find me as Prashant Sharma, first personality, Coach Prashant, by these keywords. Add me. I will love to guide you. But create a LinkedIn profile. Start creating that network of people. जब आप मुझे add करेंगे, like exactly like any other social media, मेरा network आपका network बन जाएगा. You can reach out to them. What I'm trying to tell you, friends, that we are all one team. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोग 120 लोग हैं यहाँ पर और 120, 121 जो भी हैं, 121 people, हम लोग अकेले हैं. Yes, each one of you is different. Each one of you is separate. Each one of you has their own lives. अपनी journey सबकी अपनी अपनी है. But the fact remains that we are all part of one community. और जब हमारा MBA खत्म होने लगेगा, तो हम सबको उसी दलदल में कूद के कोशिश करना उससे बाहर आने की. We all of us will have to swim in that same ocean. I don't want all of us to reach that point. उस point पे जाके हाथ पैर मारना. वो जो हाथ पैर हम 2 साल के बाद मारेंगे, वो उनको अभी करना है. Let your preparation for your dream job start today, immediately at 12:55 after this lecture is over. Right? LinkedIn profile, friends, is the first step towards creating this team to be part of a winning team. Who doesn't want to be part of a winning team? All of us do. All of us want to be part of winning the IPL, of being, holding that trophy. It is possible if you make that effort to be part of a team. ना कोई आपको बुलाएगा नहीं कि आप हमारा group join करो. Yeah. Add me on LinkedIn. I'm posting videos there. There are people like me who are doing the same. Learn from us, because आपकी जो academic knowledge है combined with real world knowledge, now that is a winning combination, and that is exactly what you need to succeed in the real world. Friends, teamwork मैंने अपने corporate training career में at least 400 से ज्यादा trainings करी होंगी, only focused on teamwork. Now you can imagine 400 people, 400 trainings, and this I'm talking about in the last 3 years. 3 या 4 साल में, 5 साल में आप लगा लो, मैंने at least 400 trainings करी हैं on teamwork. Now you can imagine the demand. एक कंपनी जो आपको हायर करती है, आपको रिक्रूट करती है, आपको सैलरी देती है, आपको 2 साल काम कराती है, all of a sudden realizes कि हमारी जो टीम्स हैं वो आपस में काम नहीं कर रही. They are not able to work together. Clients complain कर रहे हैं, customers complain कर रहे हैं. So क्या करें? प्रशांत शर्मा को बुलाओ, first personality को बुलाओ और उनसे ट्रेनिंग कराओ team work. Companies tell me that there is a huge expense to them, and I love to do those trainings in companies क्योंकि वो तो मेरा bread and butter है. But friends, I'm telling you, 4 साल के बाद जो हमने ट्रेनिंग करनी है, why not do it today? Prove it to your company when you join the company that you are a team player. You have the network, you have the skills to get along with people, you have that spirit of cooperation, and trust me, the world is your oyster. जिसको हम कहते हैं, right? टीमवर्क से और क्या होता है? नेटवर्क बिल्ड करने से क्या होता है? नेटवर्क बिल्ड करने से अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिखती हैं आपको, जो औरों को नहीं दिखती. You are able to spot different kind of opportunities. You are able to take initiative. Yeah. There was this one office, large. Everybody used to sit in one office. सब लोग एक ही उसमें बैठते थे. And the owner of that office used to sit in one corner. और एक ही entry exit थी जहाँ लोग आते जाते थे. So this was, you can imagine before the COVID time, almost 100 people sitting in one big large room. Everybody has their own desks. एक दिन everybody's, when they came in for work, they actually put their biometric attendance देके, they were going into that entrance and they found कि एक बहुत बड़ा एक chair entrance को block कर रही थी. लेकिन side में थोड़ी सी जगह थी. सो एवरीबडी थॉट कि कोई मेंटेनेंस हो रही होगी, तो वो चेयर को साइड में करके, थोड़ा ऐसे साइड में करके अंदर चल जाते थे. The owner of the company as usual used to come first. तो वो लाला जी वहां बैठ के देख रहे थे कोने से, एक आया, दूसरा है, तीसरा है, चौथा है, करीब 20, 25, 30 लोग आ गए. यूजुअली लाला जी एंड हिज असिस्टेंट, जो ऑफिस बॉय था, जो सबको चाय सर्व करता था और जो सफाई वगैरह करता था, एंड यू नो एडमिन वर्क, दे यूज्ड टू कम फर्स्ट. दैट डे गोपाल, हिज नेम वाज गोपाल, ही हैड कॉल्ड लाला जी एंड सेड मेरी थोड़ी मेरे वाइफ को ले जाना है डिस्पेंसरी, तो मैं थोड़ा लेट आऊंगा. गोपाल केम एट 9:40, 9 बजे का टाइम था सबका, तब तक सब आ गए थे. 9:40 पे वो आया और उसने देखा कि वो चेयर है बीच में. तो उसने आसपास देखा कि क्या है, तो उसने चेयर उठाई और उस चेयर को अंदर कर दिया. He saw there was one spot and he put the chair there. जैसे ही उसने चेयर उठाई, he saw on the floor there was a 2000 rupee note. So he took that 2000 rupee note and he went to Lalaji and said कि ये देखो, ये 2000 रुपए मुझे मिले हैं. So Lalaji smiled at him and said, this is yours. So he said, क्यों, किसके लिए? He said, this is for showing the initiative. What others could not do, you did it. And he told everybody in that office, look at this guy. He's not even an MBA. He's not even educated as you, but he has initiative. And people who have initiative, people who are proactive, are the ones who get rewarded. Friends, when we actually have that network, when we have a mentor, when we are part of good teams, we are able to do a good job. We are able to combine our will with our skill, right? Our will is our willpower and our skill is what we are known for, right? जिसको हम technical skills कहते हैं, academic skills कहते हैं, those are 15 to 20%, the important 15 to 20%. टाइटैनिक भी इसी आइसबर्ग से टकराई थी जो उसको दिखा था, right? लेकिन 85% of the iceberg is below the surface and those are your soft skills. Friends, हमको अपने soft skills पे उतना ही ध्यान देना है जितना हमको अपने academic skills पे देना है. What are soft skills? Decision making, strategic thinking, leadership, goal setting, time management. There are so many soft skills, communication skills, public speaking. बहुत है. There are about 50-55 soft skills. Many of them which I have, which I mentioned in my book as well, right? And I talked about that. What I'm trying to tell you is a combination of your skill, which are your academic knowledge, and a combination of your willpower. That is a winning combination. मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर था, वो बिल्डर्स फ्लैट्स बनाता था. आपको बिल्डर्स फ्लैट्स, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, लाइक हाउ समटाइम्स लोग अपने कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेते हैं और उसमें फ्लैट्स बना देते हैं और इंडिविजुअल फ्लैट्स बेचते हैं. So he was known for making very good builders flats, Delhi NCR. So this contractor was very famous, and over a period of time, his reputation spread. So that contractor further had अलग-अलग लोग working for him. कोई उसका मिस्त्री था, कोई उसका टाइल वाला था, कोई बिल्डिंग सप्लायर था, उसका एक कारपेंटर था, बहुत पुराना कारपेंटर, उस्मान भाई. बहुत साल काम किया उन दोनों ने, 35 साल की एसोसिएशन. जहाँ पर बिल्डर्स फ्लैट बना उस कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का, उस्मान भाई ने वहां पर वुड वर्क किया. And as time went on, both of them got a lot of fame, lot of acclaim. One day उस्मान भाई के शादी हुई, फिर उसके बच्चे हुए, बच्चे बड़े हो गए, बच्चे सेटल हो गए. And उस्मान भाई came to the contractor and said, sir, ऐसा बाबूजी के मुझे ना अब आप छुट्टी कर दो, मैं रिटायर होना चाहता हूँ. So that contractor was surprised. Yeah. Surprised that he was expecting it, but he doesn't want to lose his main person, ना. So he told उस्मान भाई, कोई बात नहीं, रह जाओ यार, अभी तो कुछ साल है, अभी तो तुम यंग हो. लेकिन वो सुन नहीं रहा था, कह रहा नहीं मुझे रिटायर कर दो, मुझे तो रिटायर हो. तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने कहा चल एक लास्ट हमारे पास एक बिल्डर्स फ्लैट जो हमारा बन रहा है, जो एग्जिस्टिंग, उसको तो कंप्लीट करो, जो हमारे हाथ में काम है. तो एक लास्ट बिल्डिंग थी. उस्मान भाई ने बहुत मन मार के चल काम चालू कर दिया. But his mind was not on the job. he was not very enthusiastic about the job. He used to go arrive late. कभी लड़का आ रहा है, कभी नहीं आ रहा है, कोई बहाने. जहाँ पर टीक यूज करनी थी वहाँ पर प्लाई यूज कर दी. जहाँ मेकिंग शॉर्टकट्स, यू नो, जो अच्छा काम था उसका उस हिसाब से उसने काम नहीं किया, बट ठीक है, कॉस्मेटिकली इट लुक गुड. बिल्डर्स और फ्लैट रेडी हो गए and the day came to hand over the flat. एक सेरेमनी करते थे ये लोग, to hand over the flat to the owners. All the owners were there. तो एक ओनर आया, उसने अपनी चाबी ली, दूसरे ने आया, तीसरे ने चाबी ली. एक फ्लैट खाली था. तो the contractor turned to उस्मान भाई and he gave him a set of keys. तो उस्मान भाई ने कहा ये क्या है? He saying ये फ्लैट एक्चुअली आपके लिए है. इतने साल आपने मेरे साथ काम किया, ये आपका इतने साल का रिवॉर्ड है. Can you see that, friends? Give me a yes if you have understood the story, everybody. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what
Yes,
is
sir.
the story?
If you can please repeat the end. I couldn't hear because of some disturbance in my internet. Please.
Yeah. Can anybody tell me what is the conclusion of the story? Very quickly. Then I'll come back to you. Anybody? Yeah. Go ahead. इतने साल उसने काम किया. Just go ahead and mute yourself, everybody. Please mute yourself. Everybody, please mute yourself. Yeah. Please put yourself on mute. इतने साल उस contractor ने. Please mute yourself, everybody. Please put yourself on mute. Yeah. Just do a mute all na. Yeah. If you want to say something, if you want to ask, unmute yourself. Otherwise, keep yourself on mute. इतने साल उस कारपेंटर ने काम किया, लेकिन जब अपना टाइम आया तो उसने किस लो क्वालिटी का काम किया. But he didn't realize it because he thought his mind was not on it. He thought क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, you know, किसी और के लिए काम कर रहे हो आप. Now the problem here is कि आप you can be the best carpenter in the world, you can be the most academically the best person, the topper of the class. But if your soft skills, if your willpower, if your ability to do a good job, professionalism, all those soft skills are not there, then it has no meaning. Then you have to live in your own flat, which you have built yourself, जिसकी quality सही नहीं है. तो अगर हमको अपने flat की, अपने life की foundation strong करनी है, then we must start today without wasting any time. Develop your soft skills, everybody. Develop your willpower. And add to your academic and your skills, right? Internships are part of your MBA. Please take your internships very seriously, right? Ask for good quality work. Many times जब हम लोग internships करने जाते हैं, we are given sort of routine work. कोई बोलता है कि हमारी वेबसाइट बना दो, कोई बोलता है हमारे कंटेंट डेवलप कर दो, कोई बोलता है कि ये लिख दो, कोई बोलता है फोटोकॉपी कर लो. Yes, that is part of internships. You need to learn. You need to start somewhere. I understand that. At the same time, there is nothing in the world that stops you from going to your boss and say, listen, I'd like to learn something about the job, right? If it's a 2-month internship, for 5 weeks, I can do this job. For 1 week, the last 1 or 2 weeks, can you put me in another department? So that you understand what are the different aspects of running a business. आपके first year of MBA में, I'm sure you'll be doing marketing courses, accounting courses, finance courses, organizational behavior courses, all type of courses, right? You'll have a general overview. The best time to actually test that is in your internships. So friends, skill power and willpower together make a champion. This is how you maximize your MBA, right? Socializing का अपना time है. Academics का अपना टाइम है. Upskilling, developing your own skills का अपना टाइम, right? Nobody is going to do that for you. You will need to do it yourself. But you are not alone. Soft skills can also be learned through teamwork. If you have a group of people, similar like-minded people who want to develop their soft skills, please form those groups and partnerships. Look for those kind of mentors who can guide you now, not after 2 years. Yeah. एक I don't know अगर आपने दारा सिंह का नाम सुना है. He used to be India's wrestling champion, right? So there was a very fantastic story that I heard about Dara Singh. रुस्तम-ए-हिंद दारा सिंह कहते थे पुराने. This was before WWE and all. उस टाइम वो दंगल वाली wrestling होती थी. And literally hardcore wrestling, mixed martial arts but desi style. Dara Singh was the champion of MMA in the 1950s, 1960s, बहुत 50-60 साल पहले. There's this fantastic story that Dara Singh loved to tell. And एक दफा मैंने उनका एक टीवी इंटरव्यू देखा था. उनमें वो एक स्टोरीज बता रहे थे अपने बारे में. Somebody asked him कि यूजुअल जो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि उस्ताद जी आप चैंपियन कैसे बन गए, हमको भी बताओ, अपने नुस्खे बताओ, सीक्रेट बताओ. He said मैं आपको एक कहानी बता दूं. So now Dara Singh is telling the story. He said जब मैं छोटा था ना, तो जब मेरी छोटे बचपन में you could say बहुत कम उम्र में शादी हो गई थी. But I wanted to become a champion. पंजाब में रहते थे, पुराने गाँव में, तो दूध पीने का बहुत शौक था. So पूरे दिन कुश्ती करता था. I used to practice. जब शाम को पूरे दिन कुश्ती करके, एक्सरसाइज करके, देसी स्टाइल. शाम को आता था. Then my wife used to press my feet. She used to give me milk. And you know I used to, बहुत अच्छी लाइफ थी हमारी. एक दिन हमको चांस मिला. एक फिरंगी आया, मतलब वन फॉरेनर रेसलर के, राइट. एंड उसके साथ किंग कॉन्ग उसका नाम था. तो मुझे किंग कॉन्ग के साथ फाइट करने का चांस मिला और हमारी 51 रुपए मुझे चैंपियनशिप पैसे मिलने थे. तो उस 51 रुपए के लिए 51 रुपीज के लिए दिन रात मैं मेहनत करने लगा. जितनी एक्सरसाइज करता था उससे डबल एक्सरसाइज करने लगा. ना किंग कॉन्ग अपने चेलों को लेके आया था. तो उस गांव के पास एक तहसील थी. सो किंग कॉन्ग हैड बीन गिवन वन रूम, वन प्लेस टू प्रैक्टिस. एंड दारा सिंह अपने अखाड़े में प्रैक्टिस करता था. दारा सिंह कहता मैं अपने अखाड़े से किंग कॉन्ग को प्रैक्टिस करते देखता था और वो भी किंग कॉन्ग ही लगा रहता था. जितनी मैं मेहनत करता था उससे डबल वो करता था. लेकिन कहा मुझे तो जीतना है. तो मैं उसको देखता था वो क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, उसको कॉपी करके मैं करता था अलॉन्ग विद माई ओन एक्सरसाइजेस. तो मेरे को डबल एक्सरसाइज हो जाती थी. वन डे आई कुड नॉट, मतलब मैं एक्सरसाइज करके थक गया. तो मैंने कहा मैं और ये नहीं कर सकता. सो ही सेड ही पैक्ड अप हिज बैग एंड ही वाज गोइंग टू लीव द रूम एंड ही जस्ट सॉ के सामने किंग कॉन्ग उधर क्या हो रहा है. उसकी लाइट जली हुई थी एंड किंग कॉन्ग वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग. तो दारा सिंह ने कहा नहीं यार, अगर वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है तो मैं घर नहीं जा सकता. उसने अपना बैग रखा और प्रैक्टिस करनी शुरू कर दी. एनीवे आफ्टर सम टाइम बोथ ऑफ देम वेंट होम. नेक्स्ट डे अगेन सेम थिंग. जब दारा सिंह की जान निकलने वाली थी तो वो ये सब किंग कॉन्ग वाज स्टिल प्रैक्टिसिंग यार. एंड ही सेड कि मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा था. आई कुड नॉट गो होम टिल किंग कॉन्ग वेंट होम. वन डे दारा सिंह, both of them went home and दारा सिंह went home as usual. दूध पी के he lay down on the चारपाई और उसकी आंखें बंद होने वाली थी. all of a sudden he opened his eyes and one thought came to him. अभी किंग कॉन्ग क्या कर रहा होगा, वो भी सो रहा होगा क्या. He got up, he went to his window and you know what he saw there? किंग कॉन्ग के अखाड़े की लाइट ऑन थी. बंदा प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. And he said I cannot sleep because when the champion is practicing, if I go to sleep, I'm going to lose the championship. And the next day, as usual, when he saw that King Kong's light was off, he went in the night after practicing the full day and started practicing again. Friends, this is how champions are made. Whether it is 51 rupees or 51 crore rupees, it doesn't matter. जो prize है, it is ours. We can get the prize provided we are able to have that perfect combination of skill and will. When your competition is sleeping, if you are practicing, you will come out ahead. I can guarantee you that. Companies are looking for people like you who are able to go the extra mile. जो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट कर सकता है. यही डिफरेंस होता है. पानी को आप गर्म करने लगो, गैस के ऊपर रखो, पानी उबलने लगता है एंड बहुत गर्म हो जाता है, लेकिन उबलता नहीं है. 99 डिग्रीज में अगर आप अपनी फिंगर डालोगे पानी में तो आपका हाथ जल जाएगा, लेकिन पानी उबलना नहीं होता. पानी उबलता है 100 डिग्रीज. The water is still hot at 99, but it is boiling at 100. 1 degree, friends. Your MBA degree plus your MBA degree is your skill, and that 1 degree is your will. 100 plus 1 is 101. This is how we will beat our competition, and this is how we can maximize our MBA. Because the real world, जो हम आगे वाली जो लाइफ है हमारी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, हमारा जो करियर है, चाहे जॉब है, चाहे स्टार्टअप है, चाहे कुछ भी है, जहां पर भी हम काम करेंगे, चाहे अपनी बिजनेस में काम करेंगे, इट डजंट मैटर. It is competitive, it is tough, it is ruthless. There is nobody who's going to give you that deal, which should. Nobody is going to give you that 1%. We will have to snatch it, and we can only do it by a combination of skill and will. The third thing that I'd like you to tell you today, so I wanted to share with you 3 tips. Yeah. Correct. So the first thing I wanted to talk about today was building a network, becoming part of a team, finding mentors, yeah, getting a LinkedIn profile, starting with me, join, add me, right? Subscribe to channels, watch videos which inspire you. The problem is social media में इतना सारा content हो गया है, इतने सारे videos, ज्ञान पापड़ बांटने के लिए बहुत लोग हैं वहाँ पर. So sometimes you get confused, किसको follow करें, किसको follow नहीं करें. I would advise you, अगर आप किसी का वीडियो देखते भी हो और किसी का सुनते भी हो, because आपके पास limited time है, look for somebody who has got industry experience. There are people who are professional trainers. लोग अपने आप को leadership coach बोलते हैं, मैं trainer हूँ, मैं coach हूँ, मैं भी बोलता हूँ. But I can also tell you that I have worked in a company. I started my company with the Taj Group of Hotels. I have started 2 businesses. I have got certifications. I have gone back to college. I have got an MBA. I have got that experience of a startup. Look for people who have that kind of experience. They can guide you. There are many people like that. Yeah. The second thing I wanted to talk about today was, the combination of hard skills and soft skills. Not focus on your academics. Your academics are very important. Getting good grades is very important because कभी-कभी इंटरव्यू में कट ऑफ ही ग्रेड्स के बेसिस पे हो जाता है. तो वो तो कहीं नहीं गया, वो तो हमको करना ही है. लेकिन सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, remember that 1 degree that I told you. Yeah, remember that carpenter. Do you want to be that carpenter who wants to live a mediocre life despite being so talented, or do you want to be like that Gopal, that office boy who showed initiative? Yeah. Soft skills is also about attitude. Now, when we talk about attitude, it's also very important for us to know कि attitude क्या होता है. So, एक attitude भी एक ऐसा word है जो आप बहुत सुनते आए होंगे और आगे भी काफी बहुत सुनोगे. But let me tell you something about attitude. So, my first day of my job, so I started my career in the Taj Group of Hotels. Taj Mansingh है दिल्ली में, बहुत अच्छा 5-star hotel है, very reputed. So I had just finished my MBA and come back to India, and the first job that I got was assistant manager at Taj. So I would be the duty manager, जो लोग सूट डाल के खड़े होते हैं ना, and they in the lobby, and all good looking people, बहुत glamorous life. तो मेरे mind में भी मेरे आंखों में stars चमकते थे. I remember my parents dropped me to Taj, and मेरा first day of my job, बहुत अंदर गया मैं, and they left me. आशीर्वाद देके मैं गया अंदर, एंड वहां पर ड्यूटी रोस्टर था, किसकी ड्यूटी कहाँ लगेगी. सो मुझे लगा कि मेरी ड्यूटी एज यूजुअल प्रशांत शर्मा, लॉबी मैनेजर. उसमें लिखा था प्रशांत शर्मा BC. मैंने कहा भाई ये BC क्या है, किसी को पूछा, मुझे लगा कि मस्ट बी सम जोक है. तो उसने कहा BC का मतलब बुचरी है. यहाँ पर जो बुचरी है, आपको इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ेगी हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में एक हफ्ता, एंड आफ्टर 6 months यू विल बी पोस्टेड टू योर डिपार्टमेंट. तो हम तो यंग थे उस टाइम यार, इतना पता भी नहीं था. मैंने कहा चलो ले चलो. सो जो बुचरी कसाई घर, यहाँ पर जो मीट प्रोसेस होता है होटल में, इट इज इन दैट होटल. इफ यू गो डाउन, इट्स इन द बेसमेंट, एंड नीचे आगे जाके वो बंदा मेरे को ले जा रहा था वहां छोड़ने के लिए, बिल्कुल आखिर में था. बट आई कैन टेल यू गाइस, वो जो कमरा था, आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट. Huge room. Matlab, you can imagine a giant hall, state of the art. Chrome and glass and aluminium, spotlessly clean. और जैसे ही उन्होंने दरवाजा खोला वो स्मेल, those animals hanging, you can imagine जैसे बुचरी में होते हैं ना वो, those big animals hanging there, and that smell, मुझको तो smell करके ही मतलब मेरे तो दिमाग घूम गया. I said I cannot work here. तो रोना निकल गया, because जिस एटीट्यूड मतलब जैसे हमारे अरमान होते हैं, जैसे हमारे डिजायर्स होती हैं, हमारी जॉब कैसे होगी, मेरे ऑफिस होगा, this was nothing like that, man. There were animals and there was blood and there was bones. Anyway, that guy left me and he went. So I started. One guy gave me an apron, gave me a knife, and मेरे साथ मुझे किसी के साथ लगा दिया कि इनसे काम सीखो. काम क्या सीखना यार, मैंने तो आज तक कभी किसी जानवर को ऐसे पकड़ा भी नहीं था. तो he gave me one chicken, इसको काटो. So he showed me how to cut it. आधा घंटा तो कर दिया मैंने. उसके बाद तो मेरे से किया भी नहीं गया. I said I can't do this job anymore. So I started crying, I started throwing tantrums. I still remember कोई फोन करता तो उसको बदतमीजी से पेश आना, अपने co-workers को झाड़ देना, कोई बोल रहा है तो उल्टे जवाब देना. There was one Khan Saab. Khan Saab was the head of the butchery section. Very old employee. वो एकदम कोने में बैठते थे. तो खान साहब मुझे देखते रहे करीब 1-1.5 घंटा. तो 1.5 घंटा तो उन्होंने मेरे को झेल लिया. उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को बुलाया इशारा करके, यहाँ बैठो, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा, कहाँ से आए हो, क्या किया. सो खान साहब ने मेरे को एक चीज बताई थी. फ्रेंड्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन 25 years ago, लेकिन इट इज समथिंग विच आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू टुडे, विच आई वांट यू टू रिमेंबर थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. ही सेड, जिन लोगों के साथ तुम इतनी बदतमीजी से पेश आ रहे हो ना, और इतना बुरा व्यवहार कर रहे हो, बर्ताव कर रहे हो उनके साथ, जब तुम ऊपर जाओगे ना एंड अपना काम स्टार्ट करोगे, इन्हीं लोगों के मैनेजर बनोगे. किस मुंह से इन लोगों को मैनेज करोगे, किस मुंह से इन लोगों को आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस दोगे. हाउ विल यू टेल दीज पीपल टू डू देयर जॉब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम सो रूडली. दिस इज व्हाट खान साहब टोल्ड मी. He said, then he showed me, he's saying, look at that guy, वो देख रहे हो, he's saying वो नजफगढ़ से आता है, 2.5 घंटा इस तरफ जाता है, 2.5 घंटा उस तरफ जाता है, 5 घंटे 6 घंटे तो उसके कम्यूटिंग में लग जाते हैं, 12 घंटे की ड्यूटी यहाँ करता है. 18 घंटे वो बंदा कब अपनी फैमिली को मिलता होगा, कब अपने लिए लाइफ, क्या लाइफ है उसकी. 6 हफ्ते में 6 दिन, 15 साल से ये काम कर रहा है. He is my best employee. He showed me another guy. He's saying, look at that guy. He's got a handicapped mother. He's got this and that. There are people here with real problems, but they are still doing a great job. तुम सोच रहे हो कि कसाई घर है ना? This कसाई घर is responsible for 30% of this hotel's revenues. हम लोग जिस तरह रॉ मटेरियल काटते हैं और बाकी रेस्टोरेंट को सप्लाई करते हैं, we save money for the restaurant, for the company. We are doing a very responsible job. चाहे तुम बकरा काट रहे हो, चाहे मुर्गा काट रहे हो, but do it well, do it properly. He taught me such an important lesson in attitude. I have never forgotten it. कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता, कोई भी काम बड़ा नहीं होता. It's all depends on how we look at it. We might get a job which pays us a lot of money. We might get an internship or a job which does not pay us so much money. The focus right now, friends, don't worry about that. वो तो बात की बात है. अपने MBA में the focus should be on learning. And learning not just from your books, but learning from real life as well. Combination of your skill and your will is going to take you towards success and is going to give you that competitive edge that you're looking for. Okay, I think we have 7 more minutes. Is that correct? Tell me how much time do we have? Who is the coordinator? Can you tell me how much time do we have? Yeah.
So we still have 15 minutes to go.
We have 15 minutes.
15 minutes to go.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Fine. Okay. So the third thing which I'm going to tell you today is about this concept which I really love, which is very close to my heart. Okay, it's called, I call it beautiful on the inside. It's a name which I have given. So what is beautiful on the inside, right? And how do you define that? what does it mean to be beautiful on the inside? So I'll explain this by telling you. I'll explain this by telling you a short story about Steve Jobs. Have you all heard of Steve Jobs? Everybody, please tell me yes or no. Have you heard of Steve Jobs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, guys. I'm happy to hear that. Okay, Steve Jobs was a great. We must learn from him, about him, as much as we can. Not just because he founded the most valuable company in the world, but he had many ideas which we can learn from. So I will share one such idea about Steve Jobs. This is Steve biography in my world tonight. In which Steve Jobs tells a story about his life. And this is in response to why are Apple products so well designed, right? So you have, for all those जो Apple products use करते हैं, and even if you don't use Apple products, we all know that Apple is, stands for good design, right? Expensive products, well-designed products, stable environment, everything that Apple offers you, but at a very high cost. So Steve Jobs said that जब मैं छोटा था, Steve Jobs के father liked to work with his hands. वो अपने hands से काम करते थे. He used to like to build things. One of the things that his father one day was building, वो woodwork बहुत अच्छा करते थे. इसके Steve Jobs के father. So he was building this fence around घर के बाहर, जैसे बाउंड्री वॉल में एक फेंस बना रहे थे. You must have seen the fence, लकड़ी की फेंस जिसके ऊपर ऐसे वो conical shape होता है, that kind of fence. Now हम लोग जब अपने घर में वुडवर्क कराते हैं तो जनरली हम लोग, मतलब जनरली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जो बाहर दिखता है, जैसे अलमारी बना रहे हैं तो बाहर अलमारी के बाहर जैसे टीक लगा लिया, लेकिन अलमारी के अंदर वाला पार्ट हम लोग कभी कभी प्लाई लगा देते हैं या टीक प्लाई लगा देते हैं, बिकॉज वो तो अंदर रहेगा ना वो वाला पार्ट, या कोई ड्रॉर बनानी हो या कुछ बनानी हो. सो his father, when he was building that fence, so there is one side that is visible from the house and there is one side of the fence which is visible from the outside. जब आप स्ट्रीट में खड़े हो और आप घर की तरफ देख रहे हो तो आपको एक साइड दिख रही है, लेकिन अगर आप घर के अंदर हो तो आपको दूसरी वो एक साइड दिख रही है, करेक्ट ना? Now his father used the best quality of wood for both sides of the fence, इस तरफ भी और उस तरफ भी. So Steve Jobs said कि हम लोग अपने पेरेंट्स को ये पूछ रहे थे, so हम लोग अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने फादर को ये पूछा हमने, that why are you using the same quality of wood on both the sides? जो बाहर वाली साइड है आप अच्छा से यूज करो, लेकिन हम अंदर वाली साइड you can use normal wood, right? Please let me present, and once I finish my presentation, then you can take over, right? Okay. Now, his father replied, Steve Jobs' father replied, that the product must look as good. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Students, you all are MBA students.
Hi, everybody. Yeah. Can you hear me? Can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And my screen is also visible, beautiful on the inside.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Steve
sir.
Jobs'
Yes,
father,
sir.
the product must look as good on the inside as it must look on the outside. So he said, Steve Jobs said, as I grew up, I was obsessed with design. And one thing I wanted was that my product should have the best design. So iPhones, iMacs, iPods, and all these things have got very good design. We all know that. Now, जो पहले iPhone का जब prototype बना था, Steve Jobs went to the factory and he was inspecting the prototype. अभी ये production नहीं start हुई थी, प्रोटोटाइप बनने में ही millions and millions of dollars लगे थे. The circuit board on the inside was a combination of straight lines, parallel lines, and horizontal and vertical lines. But there was one section which was slightly crooked. वो सीधा नहीं था, straight line नहीं था, वो ऐसे जा रहा था. Jobs turned to his engineers and said, मुझे ये सीधी line चाहिए. So they tried to explain to him कि हम लोग जगह बचाने के लिए, cost बचाने के लिए, it doesn't matter. कोई phone खोल के आज तक किसी ने कोई phone थोड़ा ना खोला है. I mean, I have used this phone for so many years. I've never opened the inside. Yeah? Who's going to see the inside? Jobs said no. The product, the iPhone, must look as good on the inside of the iPhone as it looks on the outside. As a customer, we will never see the inside of an iPhone. But I can guarantee you that because of that excellence, because of that quality, because of that search for quality, that search for excellence, जो jobs में थी, we are willing to pay 20,000, 30,000 rupees for a phone, जो हमको बाकी brands में उससे ज़्यादा features मिलते होंगे शायद. But we are still willing to buy Apple products. Why? Because of quality. Beautiful on the inside is a concept, friends, which I want to tell you. It's not just about cosmetic changes. It's not just about making good presentations, wearing good clothes, having nice pictures on your social media, faking friendships. No, that is on the outside. That is important. But as important is hamara attitude that we bring. The person inside, as you can see on your screen, must be as beautiful on the inside as on the outside. If you are willing to help your friends, if you are willing to have that culture which tells you if you have that culture of giving, of sharing knowledge, of helping others and learning from them, अगर हम अपना attitude और अपना mind ऐसे बना लें, friends, I'm telling you, you will be appreciated because it comes up in your work. When I recruit, जब मैं recruit करने जाता हूँ for companies and I sit on interview panels, this is one of the things I look for. I ask questions where I talk about the attitude of a person to the job rather than functional knowledge of the job, right? So a person who's willing to go the extra mile, not cut corners, not take shortcuts. A person who's willing to do the full job, who ensures कि जब तक वो line सीधी नहीं हो, दारा सिंह जैसे अपनी practice, exercise पूरी नहीं हो, I don't select those candidates. Friends, I'm sure each 121 of you is a candidate like that. And you are that person who is going to make sure that, जिसको हम लोग English में कहते हैं, every I will be dotted and every T will be crossed, right? Taking shortcuts, finding the easy way out, finding hacks and all is all very fine. अपने life को हमेशा हम लोग simplify करने चाहते हैं और करना चाहिए. But what we also must understand and realize is the fact that taking shortcuts sometimes leads us to a path of mediocrity, like that carpenter, right? Mediocre people will get mediocre results. Excellent people, excellent students will get excellent results. And as we have discussed, excellence is not just about focusing on your work and your studies only, but to be an all-rounded individual. Create that network, have that particular connections, have that knowledge, so you are able to add to your MBA. So when your professor comes to the class and tells you about sort of consumer behavior, for example, or you talk about segmentation, you can be talking about looking at a balance sheet. You can be looking in financial accounting. You can be looking at organizational behavior. Talk about psychology, teamwork. All those concepts are good theoretical concepts, but if you have that knowledge and if you have that willingness to learn from your ecosystem, then you can add much more to your MBA. And friends, this is how you can maximize your MBA. You are paying a lot of money to do your MBA. you're in a good school, you're in a place where I'm sure you will get many opportunities to get a placement and to prove yourself. But don't wait for VVIMR to do everything. Your organization, your college, your university will help you. But success comes to those people who help themselves. So friends, I hope you will, some of the tips which I have shared with you today have been helpful for you to help you to maximize your MBA, get more out of your MBA. And the last thing that I'd like to say to you today is, again, a repeat of what I said earlier, right? Don't wait for time to pass. Don't say कि मैं 2 साल के बाद या 1.5 साल के बाद 1 साल के बाद करूँगा, कोविड के बाद करेंगे, वैक्सीन आएगी तब करेंगे. No. In one of the videos which I've shared today on YouTube, I also said that you need to make sure that COVID vaccine जब आएगी तब आएगी. But उससे पहले there's एक बहुत बड़ा हमको mountain climb करना है. But you can make it easy by yourself by preparing for it today and maximizing your MBA. So guys, I'm always there, like I said, to support you. Please, I would love, I would love to share a copy of my book with you. Please subscribe and please write that you are from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. I will send you a copy of your of my book to you, right? Please create a LinkedIn profile for yourselves. Please add me. Start adding important people to your LinkedIn profile, and it will really help you. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope it has been a good session. And any
Please
So,
questions?
share the LinkedIn LinkedIn ID.
Yeah,
So please share the LinkedIn ID.
Yeah,
also.
just on
1 minute, everyone. Prashant sir, first of all, sorry, I was not available in the session as I was taking my another session. Just joined, as I told you.
Yes, sir.
And I like to thank both of my faculty members who was there, Dr. Bhavna and Dr. Nishu, looking after this session. And I'd like to invite Dr. Bhavna to give you a vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Bhavna.
Dr. Bhavna, are you there?
Yeah, good morning, sir. Thank you so much. It was truly inspirational and motivational speech. I mean, you have really, bounded every one of us. We could not actually. No one. I am sure everyone will agree with me that it was so much inspirational that you have grabbed our attention throughout this 50 minutes session. It was great listening to you. Yes, I do agree. Your skill power with willpower, that motto we need to carry forward. And the anecdotes which you shared were really, so good. Thank you so much for mentoring us, for mentoring our students. I hope they are going to, take every word of yours. They are going to imply those things. They are going to imbibe those and for, getting success in their future endeavors. Thank you once again for sparing out your valuable time, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bhavna. Very kind of you.
And thank you, Dr. Bhavna. And Dr. Nishu, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I would say, Prashant, sir, you were absolutely very encouraging, and I request all the MBA aspirants that these personality talks are going to come very few. You're going to have these talks while you are in your MBA journey. So grasp how much you can, and very good personality turners he has spoken about his hotel experience where the butchery aspect was there. I definitely, sir, if I would be at your place, I would have left it and run away without turning myself to that situation. But one thing which even I will take away from your session is, yes, you really need to learn not only from the books but the experiences of others. And this is what these MBA students also have to do in their life, that it is not that only your books are going to give you the skills and your personality turnarounds, but it is also the experiences of your faculties, your students, and the such great speakers who are going to come and share their experiences. So thank you so much, Prashant sir, for your lovely coaching talks.
Thank you, Dr.
And yesterday, Prashant sir has given a session in the consumer behavior. I liked his session too much. That's why I also said both of my faculty members to attend your session today. Unfortunately, I was indulging some other session in BBA, and I hope all the students have enjoyed the session. And looking forward for another session with you, Mr. Prashant, tomorrow in our BBA. And thank you very much, everyone, for your time. And students, you have break after this session, and you can rejoin at 2 p.m. I hope you have enjoyed the first session, guest session, and thank you very much, Dr. Bhavna, as well as Dr. Nishu. So, Dr. Bhavna, we will prepare the report for this thing. Okay.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bhavna, Dr. Nishu. Thank you, Anil sir, and thank you everybody for listening. All the best to you. Yeah. Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nishu ma'am, you can prepare a report for this. Thanks, everyone. You can leave.
Sir, should I download the video?
Yeah, वीडियो डाउनलोड करके मुझे भेज देना जिसने डाउनलोड किया.
Okay, I'm stopping the recording. Thank you, sir.
ओके. वीडियो डाउनलोड तब स्टॉप होगा जब सब लीव कर देंगे. एवरीवन प्लीज लीव. गिरीश
Thank you, sir.
तुम करो इसको आप हटा सकते हो अभी.
हाँ जी सर.
वीडियो मेरे ख्याल से तब डाउनलोड होगा जब सब लीव कर जाएंगे.
Yes sir, वो स्ट्रीम से डाउनलोड होगा.
हाँ, तो यू कैन रिमूव एवरीवन.
Okay.
ओके, आई एम आल्सो लीविंग.
Okay. Please everyone, thank you.